Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable your system lock on your CHiQ TV. So to do this, you're gonna press this home button on your Pilot, which is located right here. It's the button with a little house drawn on it. So we're gonna press on that, and in the top right corner of our screen, in the top right corner of our screen we can see the right here we can see the cog icon. So we're gonna press on that and then go to the lock. Here we need to enter our already owned password. So for me it's 2, 2, 2 and 2. And now just press OK. And to actually disable it, make sure it's off like this. And to enable it, just press on like that. And from here you can set your own password, do the channel lock, or enable parental control. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.